What's up, guys? Software Flow here. Well, guys, I just picked up some new RAM. I got the G.SKILL TridentZ RGB. It is 16 gigs, so it's two 8 gig sticks. I just want to show you what this looks like. I'm going to show you inside. Also, let me flip this thing. Show you what the back looks like. Here is the speeds and stuff. It's the what did I get? PC4 25,600 desktop, and it's 3200C. That's the thing. It's the timings are really cool. They're 14, 14, 14, 34. I have DDR4 in the PC right now, 2666, but this is 3200. I wanted to get just a little bit more of a speed difference and better timing, so I want to show you that, and then we're gonna get it in the case and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, I just took it out of the package. There's actually nothing inside of the package at all. So this is what it looks like. Alright, let's see if we can get it nice and clear for you guys. Up on top is the RGB, which you can't beat. Really cool. And show you the back part. And there you go. Get it nice and clear. Alright, that's the back part of it. I'm trying to get the light out of the way. But I'm going to show you guys in the case. Alright guys, they're in the case. They look really cool. I have Aura working, the Asus Aura app, which comes obviously with the motherboard, and it is compatible with the Trident memory, which is really cool. As you see, it'll just keep changing colors. And it's running really good. It was very easy to set in the motherboard. It was 1.35 volts, but if you enable XMP, it's automatic. So right now it's on rainbow. You can change the colors, make it with Aura, you could change it to whatever you want, but I have it on like medium speed as it just keeps changing a little bit of colors. Give you another view of it on the bottom. Pretty cool though, right? Awesome looking, very vivid, man. I'm really shocked at how beautiful it actually looks. You know, I mean, it looks really, really cool. So that's a really good perk that I'm really happy about. So yeah, it's on rainbow right now, so it's gonna just keep changing colors, but it is really, really nice looking memory. Get a nice close-up for you guys. So definitely highly recommended right now. I just put it in, obviously. We'll see how it goes, but it's a little more speed for the CPU, which I'm obviously going to probably not see any speed difference. Maybe a little bit, but for me, mentally, I just know it's a little better timings, and it's just a little, you know, better to run with the CPU. So I'm always happy with something new and exciting. So I want to get you a nice little close-up and stuff. But alright guys, that's it. G.SKILL Trident memory.